Good morning from London, Bikram. This is Bramley Lyngdoh calling. I know you want to revive the old party, APHLC, that my father was the General Secretary for the Khasi Hills District. That was created back in 1960s, and until 1976 he was involved. And he was in the first cabinet during the autonomous state from 1970 to 1972 as the first batch of MLAs after we got our autonomous state. And then when we got our hill state, he became the member of the district council and served till 1976. And after that, he left the party. And I think the party became the Hill People's Union, and because it merged with PDIC and HSPDP and other Hill parties. And after that, the HPU became the United Democratic Party. So I think if you want to revive the APHLC, it'll be good for you to talk with the legislators, including Bindu Lanong from the United Democratic Party, who's still alive and who's a lawyer, who talk about the legalities and everything. So it's absolutely clear that there's a need for reviving the party. And also the symbol of the APHLC was the rose, and there's a whole song that my father wrote about the rose and the relevance to the hill tribes of the whole of Northeast India then. I'm not sure why Karbi Hills was not included in the Hill State movement, but the Mizo Hills were part of it, the Khasi Hills, the Jantia Hills, the Garo Hills, and a few more hill tribes, but I don't know what happened to the Karbi Hills. They should have been part of the Hill State movement from the 1960s, but you can go back in time and do your research of what happened in the 1960s in the Karbi Hills. There must be some documentation there. So I wish you and your team all the very best, but please consult with the lawyers first. Thank you.